get you other news now. In a heart-wrenching incident, a minor from Delhi's Kotla Vihar lost his life after receiving an electric shock from an iron pole on the cricket field. This marks yet another fatality due to electrocution in the national capital. The deadly combination of waterlogging and loose live wires continue to claim lives, highlighting the grim reality that no lessons have been learnt from past tragedies. The grieving family is now demanding immediate action from the administration.
मेरे बच्चे के साथ साथ बहुत पूरे सारे कॉलोनी के बच्चे खेलते हैं इसमें। बहुत दूर दूर के बच्चे आते हैं इसमें, हॉकी खेलने आते हैं, फुटबॉल खेलने आते हैं, बहुत दूर दूर के बच्चे सर आते हैं। हमारा बच्चा तो चला गया, वापस नहीं आएगा, लेकिन हम जैसे तड़प रहे हैं ऐसे कोई मां न तड़पे।
13 साल का मासूम बच्चा क्रिकेट खेल रहा था। उसका कसूर सिर्फ इतना था कि वो बॉल उठाने गया, लेकिन बिजली के एक लीकेज करंट की वजह से उस बच्चे की मौत हो जाती है। और ये पहली घटना नहीं है दिल्ली में, लगातार ऐसी घटनाएं हो रही हैं और दिल्ली पहला ऐसा एक राज्य बन गया है जहां इतनी घटनाएं, इस लगभग 7 से 8 ऐसी घटनाएं हुई हैं जिनमें उन लोगों को अपनी जान गंवानी पड़ी है। कारण दिल्ली की अरविंद केजरीवाल सरकार का भ्रष्टाचार।
All right, so that unfortunate tragedy taking place in the national capital once again as, another case of electrocution has been reported from Delhi, a child losing his life. Of course, the BJP is hitting out at the Aam Aadmi Party government in the national capital regarding the series of electrocution cases that have come to the fore. Clearly, civic apathy is at display in the national capital. Let me go across to my colleague Isha, who's joining us with more on this. Isha, one after the other case coming to the fore from the national capital when we talk about electrocution, this time a child losing his life in this unfortunate tragedy. What are the authorities saying regarding this electrocution incident?
Right, Shreya. So the Water Words is speaking yet again, and Delhi had witnessed another case of electrocution, and this time it's a 13-year-old boy. In fact, he was playing cricket when he was electrocuted and shocked to death. In fact, he was taken to the DDU hospital where he was declared dead. The mother of the child has now demanded strict action. The BJP, of course, hitting out at the Aam Aadmi Party for the lack of governance or misgovernance in the national capital, and also stating that that the way the Aam Aadmi Party has been governing the national capital has only led to massive failures. That is what they have been stating. That is what the BJP has been stating. But again, Shreya, what comes to the fore is that the moment there are any bouts of rainfall in the national capital, some of the other tragedy is happening. In fact, while we were only recovering from the tragedy of the IAS aspirants that they died, that's a very fresh tragedy that took place. Another one has taken place. So electrocutions have also been happening here. This happens to be the BJP, the Delhi BJP is stating that 7 electrocutions have taken place. This is the 8th one, and again more are expected because Delhi is in a complete mess, and there is a lot of waterlogging that takes place within 5 minutes of raining. So yes, the Aam Aadmi Party has a lot to answer right now because as it keeps raining, there are no checks and balances that are maintained, but only people keep losing their lives.